Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm right in the heart of Berlin and checking out Steakhouse Las Malvinas. If you're a steak lover, please watch the whole videos. And my first impression, the place has that classic steakhouse vibe, cozy lighting with a bit rustic decor and very friendly staff. Also, one thing I really like about how relaxed the atmosphere is, it's very close to Alexanderplatz and it can be very busy, but inside you can just chill and enjoy your meal. And what did I order? For starter, I went with a salmon and halibut Carpaccio, and for the main dishes, I ordered T-bone steak. And I'm already super hungry and also excited for the meal to come out. And here it is. It was very beautifully plated. The carpaccio was melted in my mouth tender, and it was just the right amount of the sauce with a bit sour and the olive oil. It was so perfect. And now the main event is the T-bone steak. Look at it, perfectly grilled and juicy, and the portion is huge. So it say it's 400 grams, but of course it comes with the bone as well. And look at the butter, it's melting so perfectly. I asked for a medium rare and I think they nailed it. Every bite was packed with flavor and this was so good, honestly. And that's all for the review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.